Welcome to Touring with Tasha. It's cooking time at an Indian wedding. Have you ever been a part of this huge event where food is prepared from weeks before in the sense of having to prepare your pots and big dabbler and all these things? Yes, it's a whole family affair, a whole family event where everyone come together and they lend their firecrackers and the tools to make these meals. On the week of the wedding and on the night before the wedding or a few days before, everyone come together to put together these meals because it's catered for over 500 to 1,000 people, and it requires a lot of work. So if you've ever been to Indian wedding before and you've ever wondered why it tastes so yummy, it's because it was done with so much love. Families who never spoke for so long, they come together to prepare these meals so you can enjoy as a guest at the wedding. So yes, love is the soul of the food. Bye guys.